Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment located in Nashville, Tennessee. And today I will be going over how to put together your Husqvarna 350BT backpack blower. So it's going to come in a box like so. Just want to take all your parts out, see what you got. You're going to have a little baggie that comes in there with your owner's manual. It's going to come with the tools you need to assemble it. So we'll go ahead and pull those out of the bag. So first thing you want to do, you want to put your ring over this black tube that comes out of the side of the blower. You're going to take the rubber tube. That's going to be your first one. Always use some lubricant to lube it up so that way they go on easier. Just want to slide it on there. You're going to take your tool and tighten this up. Once you have that one on, the next two will have a sliding collar on it. So that'll be the one you want to do next. You're going to take your ring again and go ahead and put it on there. Go ahead and tighten down this ring. Next thing you want to do, you want to take your trigger and go ahead and unscrew this. Take it all the way out. You take this black collar and slide it over the end of this hose. And you're just going to put this back together. It does have grooves to where you can adjust the handle wherever you want it to be positioned at. You're going to take this clamp, you're going to take the end that has the circle on it and hook it around your wire, and all you do is wrap the rest of it around your tube right there. And all that's going to do is hold the wire close to the tube. Now all you're going to have left is two of the same ones and then one that's going to be your end piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these two on. Twist them until they pop. And you're done assembling your 350BT. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 or else visit our website at sleequipment.com.